Good morning, guys. Culture today. Go digital. The perfect reading comprehension for quarantine time, coronavirus time. Page 78 of your book. We are going to see together something about each of the three paragraphs. In the first one, they say something about the first computer. The first computer was called ENIAC, and it was 30 meters long and it weighed 30 tons. It was built by two American professors, John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckbert, between 1943 and 1945 for military use. Now, computers are much smaller, and they are so small that you can fit them into your pocket. In the glossary, you have the word weighted, pesavano, and fit into, entrare, fit into your pocket. Entrano nella tua tasca. In the second paragraph, we see the use of the technology of the smartphone in class. So, they say that mobile phones are nightmare for teachers. Nightmare, you have the word in the glossary, and it means incubo. There isn't a student who hasn't used it in class to text friends. Text friends means mandare messaggi agli amici. To surf the internet, you already know that surf the internet means search something on the internet. We say navigare in internet, or even to receive phone calls during a lesson. A good news for you is that the teachers are starting using smartphones in class. I did start because I'm not sure that is the best way to teach, but some teachers have found that smartphones can improve the way students learn. Improve, you have the word in the glossary, and means migliorare. Have improved, hanno migliorato. You can use your smartphone to find information on the internet, to surf the net, to schedule your homework, to send emails to teachers and schoolmates, and to create spreadsheets. Spreadsheets is in the glossary and means foglio di lavoro. Okay, I don't use smartphones in class, but smartphones are a blessing now in coronavirus time, now that we have to stay at home, and your smartphones can help you to study, to keep in touch with your teachers and your schoolmates. And now, as you can see, we are using Microsoft Office Teams. Yeah, I agree that technology can be very, very helpful in teaching. In the last paragraph, they say that there are educational apps or games that can help you to learn. For example, the computer game Minecraft. Do you know it? Well, I know that it exists, but I'm not sure what it's about. And the computer games Angry Birds, that can be useful in learning math and physics. Okay, I'm not sure about that, but I agree. I think that learning, if you learn having fun, it will be easier for you to learn something. Vi volevo far notare ora, we've had computers since the 1950s. L'uso del present perfect, we've had, con since, quindi noi abbiamo i computer dagli anni 50, since. Come abbiamo appena studiato, since si usa quando si specifica da quando inizia un qualcosa, e il present perfect in questo caso viene tradotto in italiano con il presente indicativo, quindi abbiamo i computer dal 1950, dagli anni 50 in questo caso. Più giù, since that time, da quel tempo, sempre since, da quel tempo. Ok, ora voi da soli, dopo la mia breve spiegazione che penso possa esservi stata utile, dovreste per favore fare l'esercizio 1 e 2 a pagina 79. L'esercizio 1 vi chiede di leggere, ascoltare, read and listen to the test and match the titles, the paragraphs, cioè dovete scegliere quali di questi titoli sono giusti per i 3 paragrafi che abbiamo appena visto e che voi dovrete rileggere e riascoltare più volte. Poi read the text again and answer the questions, cioè rispondere a queste domande, così ci esercitiamo a fare i nostri questionari. Sarà anche utile per voi fare l'esercizio 3, sempre a pagina 79, e cioè ascoltare l'intervista e completare questo table with Simon and Rosie's answers. Quindi ascoltate le risposte e quindi rispondete, completate queste colonne rispondendo alla domanda How long have you had your smartphone? Simon risponderà since, Rosie risponderà for, eccetera, eccetera. Lasciate stare per il momento la terza colonna perché avreste dovuto magari completare con un partner. Rosie risponde per prima alle domande fatte, che sono queste 8, e Simon risponde per secondo. L'ultima colonna sarebbe da completare insieme a un partner, ma siccome siete a casa soli soletti, potreste rispondere rispondendo con la vostra, quello che, diciamo, dando una risposta personale. Quindi, how long have you had your smartphone? Rispondete personalmente a questa domanda. Spero che sia tutto chiaro, se così non fosse contattatemi. Anytime. Bye bye.